Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want us to transfer your Google Play Games data into Game Center, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the thing with Google Play Games data here, typically you need to enable a specific option or setting here. So first things first is you want to make sure that you are using the correct account on your Google Play Store app here. So at the top right, go and click on your profile and just make sure that you are in the correct account. Now, once you've guaranteed that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go and open up the app for Play Games. So let's go open this up. You want to go and click on the three-dotted option that you see at the top right of your screen and go to settings. Now, inside settings here, you want to go ahead and look for the section that says your data or your profile and settings here. And typically, what you need to look for is going to be the option that says automatically sign into compatible games. Now, this may not be available on every account. So again, this might not be available on every account here. It depends on your Google account. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. Now, if it is there, you just need to make sure that it is enabled, and that should basically transfer your data. So whatever progress you made on one game should be available on Game Center. Now, if that option is not available, an alternative that you could try doing here is, depending on the game, you may have the option to sign in using a different account. Let's just say you use a specific let's just say you use a Facebook account to sign in into one of your games. Well, what you need to do is you just need to make sure that you use the Facebook account that you use to sign in, or you use to sign out, signed up into that game, and typically those information or those game data would also be transferred to your other device. But yeah, so currently this is the only way that you could do this. So again, this option may or may not be available to you. So not everyone currently has this one. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.